everyone, it's Food and Travel by Slim. Coming up, I am sharing with you a very quick and easy, delicious and tasty peppered steak. Watch till the end to see how it comes together nicely. So on this board I have a very fresh piece of steak which I have washed in some lime juice, and now I'm just going ahead to cut these in fine strips so that they can cook easily. So now it's time to season the meat. I'm using some freshly blended seasoning, some salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, baking soda, sesame oil, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and some cornstarch. And I'm just gonna give this a good stir. And guys, I'm using 1.5 pounds of beef, and I just cut them in slices. Now I've seasoned it, and I'm just gonna let it marinate for about 30 minutes before I go ahead and cook this. While the beef is marinating, I'm going ahead to cut some veggies. I'm using different varieties of colors of bell peppers. I'm using 1 large carrot which I'll be cutting into strips. I'm using fresh garlic, fresh ginger, and some onions. And as the name suggests, it's peppered steak, so I'll be using quite a bit of bell peppers just to give it that delicious taste and that beautiful color. And guys, all measurement will be in the description. Sauce, I'm using 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of water, one tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon sugar. I'm just gonna mix this thoroughly, and this is gonna give it a very beautiful, thick, rich sauce and flavor. Okay, I have the wok on the fire on medium heat. I'm adding some vegetable oil. So what I'm about to do is to brown the beef. So I've added some brown sugar to the oil, and then I'll be adding the beef once the sugar is burned just a little bit, not to be too dark. So once the beef is browned properly, then it's gonna get a very brown golden color, and so in that way I don't have to add any food browning to it. It's gonna get a natural brown color from the brown sugar, and that is gonna make it so much tastier, and the meat won't be white, and everything is just gonna look beautiful and appetizing. So you can see how beautiful this is looking. I let it fry without covering the pot, and I just stir it around, and look how beautiful this is. No food browning added. I'm just going to show you how brown and pretty this is. Look at that. Very appetizing. Very pretty. So now that my steak is cooked and ready, I am adding to my pan on medium heat in this vegetable oil some chopped garlic and chopped ginger, and the aroma is so beautiful. I'm adding the onions, and then I'll be adding the carrots, and just give this a good stir. The aroma is so nice coming from this. And in case you're wondering if the beef is cooked, yes, it is cooked, because I did add some baking soda to help to tenderize the beef, so that it cooks very quickly, and also because I did slice the beef thinly, then that also helped to make the beef cook quickly as well. So the beef is very well cooked, and now I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, some black pepper, and I'll be adding some dried thyme as well, just to season up these veggies and to make them taste very delicious. Guys, if you're new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can continue to receive more delicious recipes like these. Also hit the notification bell that you can be the first to be notified when we drop these content. Also give this video a like to show that you are enjoying this recipe. So now that the veggies are cooked, I've added the beef, which has already been cooked as well, and I added also just a few pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper just to really turn up the flavors. And of course the Scotch bonnet pepper is optional, and it definitely depends on your tolerance for heat. I also went ahead and added just a little bit of salt to my taste, and that is also optional, because most times the seasoning, like the all-purpose seasoning, the jerk seasoning, they come with their own salt. So now I'm adding the sauce which I prepared earlier on, and this is just the icing on the cake. It is really gonna pull this peppered steak together nicely. So this is basically ready. Look at this. It is so mouth-watering, so delicious, so appetizing. Look at all the colors coming through. The veggies, they are not too soft, they are still crunchy, and the beef, it is very soft and flavorful, and we have just enough sauce there to make everything look so good. Look at this. Very rich, very tasty, very delicious. You can pair this with so many things. It's really up to you. You can pair it with some white rice. You can do it with some pasta. It's really up to you. Look how beautiful this is. So here you have it. The peppered steak is ready. Guys, I want to thank you so much for always coming back to this channel. Thank you so much. And those who are new here, please go ahead and hit the subscription button so that you can continue to receive more delicious recipes like these. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to be notified when we drop these videos. Also let me know in the comment section if this is how you prepare prepare your prepared steak. Let me know if there's any dish that you would like me to prepare. I thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.